Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you've been curious about using AI to build passive income streams in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down how regular people, yes, you, can use artificial intelligence to create real sustainable income, even while you sleep. And I'm not just talking theory. We'll cover real tools, real strategies, and even a few AI hacks the gurus aren't telling you. Let's get into it. Why AI is the ultimate moneymaker in 2025? First things first. Why is AI such a game changer for passive income right now? In 2025, AI has gone mainstream. From content generation and customer support to investing and e-commerce automation, AI tools are everywhere, and they're more accessible than ever. The real magic? AI doesn't sleep. You can build systems powered by AI that keep working 24/7 without you having to babysit them. Think digital employees, minus the HR paperwork. Top passive income ideas using AI. Let's break down the top passive income methods you can start right now with AI. I'll keep it real and actionable. 1. AI-generated content websites. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Claude, you can create blogs and niche content sites in a fraction of the time. Strategy. Use ChatGPT to write SEO blog posts. Target low-competition keywords using tools like Ahrefs or Surfer SEO. Monetize through ads like Google AdSense or affiliate marketing. Once the content is live and ranking, it can generate income passively for years. 2. YouTube automation with AI. Yes, you can start a faceless YouTube channel using AI for scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, and editing. Tools. ChatGPT or Gemini for video scripts. 11 Labs or Descript for AI voiceovers. Pictory or InVideo for AI-generated video clips. Canva or DALL-E for thumbnails. Niche ideas, AI news, finance tips, motivation, tech tutorials. Once you get monetized, YouTube ad revenue plus affiliate links equals solid passive stream. 3. AI-powered ebooks and courses. Writing books is no longer just for authors. With AI, you can create high-value digital products in days. Steps. Use ChatGPT to outline and write an ebook or course design using Canva or Adobe Express. Publish on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or Teachable. Niche down. AI for real estate. ChatGPT for small businesses, prompt engineering for beginners, all trending in 2025.4. Automated print-on-demand stores, AI-generated art plus print-on-demand, a low-risk e-commerce. Midjourney or DALL-E for artwork, ChatGPT for writing product descriptions. Integrate with Shopify, Etsy, or Redbubble. Use Printful or Printify to fulfill orders. Once set up, orders are fulfilled automatically, giving you completely hands-off sales. 5. Investing with AI bots. Passive income isn't just about creating, it's also about smart investing. AI-powered platforms. Use robo-advisors like Betterment, Wealthfront, or India's small case platforms. Crypto trading bots powered by AI. Be careful, this is riskier. AI stock forecasting tools like Kavote or Trade Ideas. Important, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Use AI as a guide, not a guarantee. Tools you should be using in 2025. Let's get into some AI tools that are dominating in 2025 and can help you automate like a boss. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, content, prompts, and product descriptions. Midjourney, Vines, DALL-E, art for merch, thumbnails, branding. 11 Labs, Descript, text-to-speech for YouTube and audiobooks. Pictory, InVideo, Runway, video automation tools. Notion, AI. ClickUp AI, automating your workflow and productivity. Zapier. Make Integromat, automate tasks between your apps. Mastering a few of these can easily put you ahead of 90% of the market. Feeling overwhelmed? Here's a simple 5-step game plan. Step 1. Pick your path. Chose one method to start. Blog, YouTube, print on demand, etc. Step 2. Learn the tools. Spend a week getting comfortable with the key AI tools you'll use. Step 3. Create launch. Use AI to build your product or content. Focus on quality and consistency. Step 4. Automate and scale. Once it's working, use AI to automate more. Email marketing, scheduling, customer service. Step 5. Track results and optimize. Use analytics to tweak and improve. Let AI analyze performance and suggest changes. If you're wondering what I'm doing personally in 2025, I run a faceless AI YouTube channel in the tech niche, completely automated. I've published a few AI-generated ebooks, niche productivity and digital side hustles, I sell AI art on Etsy through print on demand. Low effort, surprisingly profitable. I'm not a coder or tech genius, just consistent and curious. There you go. That's how you can start making money with AI in 2025 and unlock real passive income potential. Which method are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments below, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let AI work for you, not the other way around. Stay smart, stay future ready. Peace.